Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A16s, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, pull down your notifications, extend the list, and locate hotspot toggle. For me it is right over here. Once you see your toggle, you want to hold it, at least the first time around. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize things like the password. As you can see, by default it will be randomly generated, so I do recommend simply removing it and then setting up your own. Now your new password does need to have at least 8 characters in length, at which point you can save it. Now next thing that I can change, if you want to, is the AP band. This will allow you to either utilize a little bit of a faster Wi-Fi network, or well, technically hotspot, or a little bit slower. Now with this option I will just also clarify that not every device will use a 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi, and if that device that you're trying to connect to this hotspot with does not support it, and you have it selected, then you just simply will not see the hotspot at all. If that is the case, you know that your hotspot is enabled and you should be seeing it. It should be visible in a list, and just go back here, change it back to 2.4, and everything should work just fine. And that's really all I would recommend changing here. So let's just tap on the check mark right there to save the settings, and now we can quickly enable it whenever you need it by tapping on the toggle. And as you can see, it is now enabled and running, so you can connect to it and utilize the network. Once you're done with it, I do recommend trying to remember about it, that it is enabled, because it does consume more of your battery. So if you're not using it, I would recommend just turning it off once you're done with it by simply tapping on the toggle once more. And there you go. And with this being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.